You don't know how to freeze a frame in DaVinci Resolve. Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. I can fix that. Alright, first things first. Open up DaVinci Resolve and in the bottom right, click New Project. Name it what you want and then click Create. Then once this window opens, on the bottom, click the Cut tab and in the top left, make sure you have Media Pool selected. Right click in this area and click Import Media. Navigate to where your content is at, click it, and then click Open. And then click Change. This will change your project's frame rate to your video's frame rate. Now go to the bottom of your screen and click on the Edit tab and then click and drag your content onto the timeline. And I'm going to play mine just for reference. See, it's just me doing a quick roll. Then you want to drag your playhead across your timeline until you're at the point where you want to actually freeze the frame. So I want to freeze the frame right here, right in the middle of the roll. Then you want to get your blade tool and make sure that you have this snapping tool and this linked selections tool highlighted like I do. So it actually cuts both the video and the audio and it snaps into place. Then hover over your playhead at the spot that you want and then click and it'll make a cut right there. Then you want to zoom all the way in as much as you can and use this line as a reference because this is the next like frame line, and then just click and now you have one frame selected. So what you want to do from here is zoom all the way out. Well, not all the way, but just about this much. Get your selection tool and then move your second clip over just so you have some room. And then you can zoom back in so you can see the freeze frame clip that you created. You want to right click it and then click change clip speed and then click freeze frame. And you can uncheck pitch correction if you want, because that just changes the sound right here. And usually I remove the sound once I freeze a frame to put something else there. Then you want to click change. And after you change it, you can stretch it by grabbing the end of it and dragging it over. And then once you drag it over, you can zoom out just for reference. And when I play the video, it'll freeze the frame right there. And if you want to do it longer, you just move this clip over to give you some more space, more time. Drag this clip all the way to the other one, press play, and then you have a longer freeze frame. And then what you can do is grab the selection tool and uncheck this linked selection and then just click on your audio right here separately and click backspace on your keyboard, and then you can put in whatever audio you want right here or whatever music, and then you can press play while it freeze frames. Please subscribe if this video helped you out and check out my other videos. Thanks. Peace.